Hey everyone, today we're going to show you how to easily change your Gmail theme. Does your Gmail look something like this, boring and white? Well, today we're going to show you how to change it to this. So check it out. Hey everyone, it's Ken here from Northern Viking Everyday, and if you are new to this channel, it is all about reviews and how-tos, so make sure you click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on upcoming videos. Today we're going to show you how to change your Gmail theme. It's really easy to do. Does your Gmail look something like this and you want to spruce it up with a different theme? Well, today we are going to show you how to do that. As well, we're going to show you how to choose a random theme, and thirdly, we're going to show you how to pick your own picture and change that into your theme. So let's get right into it. Alright, so go ahead and open up your Gmail on your computer. I'm assuming you know how to do that since you're trying to change the theme on your Gmail. And up here in the top right hand corner, you are going to see a little gear button. And when you click on the gear button, that's your settings button. A menu is going to pop up. And we're looking for the option right here in the middle that says themes. If you click on themes, you're going to get a window that pops up with a whole ton of different themes. And you can just start selecting these. There's beautiful flowers or different things, caves, flamingos. And when you select these, you can actually customize them as well. So when you find one you like, down here at the bottom, you are going to see a little A. If you click on that, you can change the text background. You can see if I click on dark, it's going to change the text background to dark. You can change the vignette. So if you want to add a darker hue around the edges, it's going to do that. You can make the image blurry if you want. So you can customize these a little bit as well from all the images that they've got in here. And now if I scroll down a little bit further, you're going to see an option here that says more images. And if I click on more images, a whole ton more are going to come up that you can select from. And if you find one you like this one with the ship here, just click on that, hit select in the corner, and it's going to make that your theme. Now, if you keep scrolling down from there, you can select your default theme. This is how you get back to the original white one that we had, or different colors if you want blue. They've got mustard, wasabi, flowers, all sorts of different ones. So you can select from those as well if you want something a little bit more simple without a photo. And if you keep scrolling down to the very bottom, on the bottom right hand corner, you're going to see one that says random. And when you click on the random, it's going to randomize a theme for you. And it picked blue for me right now. So that's how you get a random theme. So there's a couple different ways you can select from one of their themes that they put out for you, get a random theme. And the third way is in My Photos. And on the bottom left here, you're going to see My Photos. If you click on that, these are photos that I have uploaded into my Google Photos account. So once they're updated in there, you should be able to find them in here. And we're just going to select this one here of one I took in Fort Lauderdale. Just select that, hit select, and it's going to bring it into your theme. And I can just go ahead and save that. That's what I'm going to select today. And now that is my theme for Gmail. It is that simple. So I hope this little tutorial helped you out in changing your theme in Gmail. If it did, make sure to smash that like button. Also remember to subscribe to Northern Viking Everyday because I've got tons of videos coming up that I would love to share with you. Thanks for watching today and take care.